in McAllister, right outside Restoration. There's a lot going on right now here in the Plaza. So I'm going to ask Georgia what she thinks is going on, right? But this is exploring the arts in New York City, and it seems like it's going to be like a plethora of events going on this afternoon. And right now it's only around 2:30. So Georgia, what do you think? This setup takes a long time to make, to do?
I'm not sure. It looks like you're going to do a lot of musical performances and dance.
Yeah.
Performances.
Maybe some drums.
You think drums too? You hear drums?
Yeah, maybe some drums.
Okay. Why don't we just take a look and see what's going on, right?
Today we're going to start with the total and by of the evidence dance. Why don't you get around for you? I've been so many places in my life and time. I've sung a lot of songs, I've made some mad nights. I've acted out my life in stages with 10,000 people watching. But we're alone now, and I'm singing this song to you. What I hope to be. I treated you unkindly,
everyone. My name is Shayla Caldwell. I'm from New Haven, Connecticut, but I swear I'm from Brooklyn. So over the past 2 weeks, I was able to teach 3 hip-hop classes, and some of the people that are dancing with us today are returning students from last year or the year before, and then some are new faces. And I find that this is so rewarding and humbling just because Mr. Brown and Arcel gave me full creative freedom, and it's nothing like pushing boundaries and someone completely trusts you. And the dancers have done that as well. So I'm super excited. We had like the 3 classes that I taught and 1 rehearsal and a half maybe. So I'm blown away and I hope that you guys enjoy it. Thank you.
Hey, yo, 10 minutes, jump off right here. I've been gone for a minute, now I'm back to jump off. Goods in the club case, I'm drunk off. Back up for the high with the pump off. In the graveyard is where it gets dumped off. All we wanna do is party. Buy everybody at the bar card. Black Barbie dressed in Bulgari. Try to leave in somebody's Ferrari. Spread it up, that's what a real mom do. Keep it gangsta, look out for my people. I'm gonna make it picture these. You better keep the peace. But I'm gonna be. We the best, there was room for improvement. Our presence felt like a black man movement. 7 quarter to 8, back to back. No problem, 7 times. That's what I mean. Jumping on the track off of the tables. Keep your head up, live good. East Coast, West Coast, worldwide. All my players in the hood stay fly. Every boy, everything stay to the world in a Playboy pinup girl, butt naked, dressed in nothing but pearls. You wanna meet me cause you're freaky and you want me cause you're same sexy. Got a man in Japan and a dude in Tahiti. But need me sweet, I got enough to feed the needy. No need to be greedy, I got mad friends that's pretty. Chicks by the layers, all different flavors. Mafioso, that's how this thing goes. Now everybody come get me and then go. Shake your body, move your body, dance for the body, I'm the one that put the range in the rover. When you stepping out the range, it's over. Coming through in the Brooklyn, we gon' do this just like Big Papa. This is for my babies. For the Bentleys, the Hummers, the Bentleys. The ladies, 23 inch trailers. Jumping on the track while they contemporaries. Keep your head up, live good. East Coast, West Coast, worldwide. All my players in the hood stay fly. Every boy in the music stay fly. To the right. Yeah. Oh, y'all, keep your bread up. Yeah.
Here we have a guest dancer from TU Dance, and I would like to introduce co-director of TU Dance, Tony Pearsons, and also Alvin Ailey American Dance Theater veteran.
Thanks, Arcel. Hi, Brooklyn. Hi, Brooklyn. All right. My name is Tony Pearsons. I dance with Alvin Ailey American Dance Theater under first the direction of Mr. Ailey, and then under the direction of Judith Jamison. Met my husband. Yes! And met my husband also. He was a dancer in the Ailey Company. We moved to Minnesota. We created a dance organization. The organization is called To Dance. It's a company we're at 13 years and a school of 7 from nothing. So it is progressing. Thank you. But more importantly, or as important, first I have to extend an incredible thank you to Ron K. Brown. First, for everything that he does in the world, the community, for dance and people, to keep us all connected and grounded in our spirit. And Arcel, who is constantly with his wings bringing us all together to make the focus and the understanding clear. So I want to thank you both so much. Thank you, Evidence, the company. We came for a week. I brought a dancer with me, Mr. Brown created a solo called Clear as Tearwater for me a long time ago. And we kind of had a brainstorm about bringing it back, and we thought how incredible to bring it back with Ron's dancers from Evidence, the Women in Evidence Company, and along with one of our dancers. And they've been working for a week to dig into this beautiful, incredible solo, and it's an honor and a pleasure that it is being premiered. It will go back to Two Dance, and it will be in our season in Minnesota, but it's premiered here in Brooklyn with Ron's guidance and depth for this solo. Thank you. I hope you enjoy it.
Madeline Namor. From French Guiana. Michael Galen, also from Portland, Oregon. Nyla Harris. Oh, she's not here. She had to go back to get ready for college. She goes to Howard University. And also grew up going to the school here at the Youth Arts Academy. Oliver Medus. Solange Camacho. Valerianne Louisi. From France. All right, and next I would like to introduce Kristen Calhoun, who is the producing manager here at Restoration Art.
Thank you, Marcel. Good afternoon, Brooklyn. How's everybody feeling? Good, good. I just have 3 quick announcements. And we have these flyers that we'll pass out later on, so all this information is on there as well. But just quickly, the first one is that the Restoration Dance Youth Ensemble is holding auditions September 9th from 5 to 8 p.m. And that's for young people ages 14 to 18. And that ensemble is led by co-artistic directors Ronald K. Brown and Arcel Cabois, and it's a wonderful program, so please come out and audition for that. The second is that the Youth Arts Academy here at Restoration Art is now open for registration. And if you'd like to register for that, you can contact Program Manager Corey Phillips, who's here passing out flyers. And her email address is on the flyers, as is her phone number. And if you're interested in the program and want to see it for yourself, there's an open house on September 9th from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And the last announcement that I have for you is the Billie Holiday Theater. We've announced our upcoming season. It's on our website. Tickets are now available for our first show of the season called The Old Settler. It's being directed by Tony Award nominee Michelle Shea. It's going to be a beautiful production, so go ahead and get your tickets for that. Thank you so much.
And now, Ronald K. Brown Evidence will perform an excerpt of Gatekeepers, originally set on the Philadelphia Dance Company, and joined the Evidence repertory in 2012. Another full show here at the Billie Holiday Theater in this building right here that's been newly renovated. The shows will be September 23rd and 24th. You can look out on the Restoration Art website, or you can also visit us at www.evidencedance.com. And to conclude the show, I had the honor of teaching the repertory class. Sorry. And just a few years ago, I assisted Ronald K. Brown in setting 4 corners on the Alvin American Dance Theater. And so when we were deciding what we should teach to these dancers, I was like, I think we should do 4 corners and that these dancers are ready for it. So they're gonna do the last excerpt of the piece, and we've put this together in 3 rehearsals that are only an hour and a half long each. So without further ado, the 2017 Evidence Dance Workshop Series Repertory Class. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up! Thank you so much for withstanding the sun and being out with us here today. If you are interested in seeing the show again, we'll be at the Billie Holiday Theater, September 23rd and 24th. If you would like to do this and get up and dance, and you're free on Tuesday evenings, Ronald K. Brown is teaching in the studio over here, Tuesdays at 7 p.m. And if you have young people or know any young children that would like to train and learn how to dance and they don't have to go all the way into the city, there's a wonderful dance school here, the Youth Arts Academy. Thank you again very much for joining us.
You guys are just awesome.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
New Orleans.
Okay. I'm teaching a course this summer entitled Exploring the Arts in New York City. Students are doing the LAP Life Arts Project presentation, and as we walk outside, ready to exit, there's this big event going on right in my backyard. I'm here with
Angelo.
This is Angelo and
Eliza.
boy, I really enjoyed the performances today.
Thank you.
It's just awesome. I can relate to it as a jazz musician. I'm a flautist and a saxophonist. I've been playing for about 30 years. About blues, bebop, Latin. So let me from you, right? What did it take to put this together in terms of the choreography and how everyone knows what they need to do? What's your training?
Oh wow! I think it's about the practice. It's a lot of practicing, and we're both from Holland, so we're not from here.
From Holland, is that right?
Yes. So we just came for the summer intensive with Ronald K. Brown, and what brought me here was actually the Afro-related dance styles.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Do they really wear wooden shoes in Holland? That's what I heard. I don't know if that's a myth. Wooden shoes.
Wooden shoes?
Wooden shoes,
yeah,
yeah,
the
they do, yeah.
Yeah, that's what they call clogs.
They don't wear them nowadays, but yeah.
Right, you
Only
wear,
the farmers.
yeah, you wear comfortable shoes like mine,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
And what's your background?
Well, I train in modern dance, and I just love to take Afro-related dance styles. That's why I came here to do the workshop with Ronald K. Brown. And yeah, we practiced. We had like repertory classes, and that's what we performed today.
So, what does it take to get to this level? I mean, do you do like deep breathing? Do you do push-ups, stretching, leg work?
Everything, yeah.
It's just is it like yoga, perhaps? If you know yoga?
Yeah, I think every practice is quite the same. It's more the mentality. So it's more that you have to put effort into it. And it's a lifestyle. It's a lifestyle.
So what's that name again?
Angelo.
And? Okay, we're gonna sign off right now because you can hear this music behind us, and it makes no sense trying to get a silent conversation where everything is garbled. So I'm out of here. Thank you. Professor Orlando McAllister, bringing it to you here from Restoration Plaza with extremely wonderful dancing that took place today, and there will be in Billie Holiday Theater in September performing.
Yeah,
it's a pleasure meeting you.
So, always makes me get a fellow Bateson.
Awesome. Yeah. All right. This is the Big O bringing it to you live from right here at Restoration Plaza. You just heard it from a professional dancer. Now we're going to wrap up this semester. And this is Big O signing out. I'm out.